Let's be honest, dealing with constant signal dropouts and burying fragile wires is a massive waste of your time. If you want a perfectly manicured estate without the regular hassle, the Mammotion Luba 3 is a serious smart home investment to consider. Unlike older models that lose connection under dense tree cover, this system utilizes advanced netRTK and AI vision positioning to deliver flawless autonomy across 30 distinct zones. Mechanically, its four-in-wheel motors provide true all-wheel drive capability, allowing it to scale aggressive 80% slopes without losing traction or tearing up your turf. It is a highly efficient asset built to handle the complex layouts that standard machines simply can't navigate. You can find all the current promotional pricing and updated model specs detailed directly below.
Let's face it, dealing with the labor of traditional lawn maintenance or tearing up your yard with clunky, low-tech machinery is a poor return on your time. If you want a perfectly manicured lawn with zero friction, the Segway Navimow is a premium smart home asset built for modern property efficiency. This wire-free system leverages advanced RTK navigation and vision-assisted mapping to automatically scan and establish flawless digital boundaries without manual perimeter setup. Mechanically, it features an off-road vehicle-tuned traction control system paired with an electronic stability control drive. This means it can confidently master complex rolls and 30% slopes with true zero-turn steering, executing tight pivots without ever scraping or damaging your turf. Furthermore, the onboard AI-powered vision fence technology recognizes over 150 distinct obstacles in a fraction of a second, delivering unmatched safety around pets and landscaping assets.
Investing your weekends into manual lawn care or dealing with subpar machinery is a poor return on your time. If you want a perfectly manicured half-acre estate with absolute zero friction, the Husqvarna Automower 410 IQ is a premium smart home asset built for peak property efficiency. This wire-free system leverages a patented exact positioning operating system, or EPOS, to establish centimeter-accurate virtual boundaries through satellite tracking, eliminating the old hassle of buried perimeter wires. Mechanically, it features a rugged, optimized bumper paired with heavy-duty wheels designed to glide over complex surface transitions and driveways. This allows the machine to confidently conquer aggressive 45% slopes without losing traction or damaging the turf. Furthermore, the integration of an onboard radar sensor system enables the mower to detect and intelligently avoid sudden obstacles in real time, guaranteeing consistent, uninterrupted operation. Everything is fully controlled through a smartphone interface, allowing you to seamlessly customize stay-out zones, map mowing schedules, and adjust the electric cutting heights up to 4 inches. You can find all the current promotional pricing and updated model specs detailed directly below.
Maintaining a sprawling property or wasting your weekends pushing a heavy, outdated mower is an exhausting drain on your productivity. If you want a flawlessly manicured estate with absolute zero friction, the ECOVACS GOAT, a 3000 LiDAR Pro, is a high-yield smart home asset engineered for maximum efficiency. This advanced machine utilizes a holoscope 360-degree dual LiDAR navigation array paired with a 3D time-of-flight sensor, completely bypassing the headaches of buried boundary wires or clunky external satellite poles. It generates a perfect holographic layout of your landscape, guaranteeing flawless routing even under heavy tree canopies or in low-light conditions. Mechanically, the high-capacity 32-volt dual-blade cutting system delivers massive rotational torque to effortlessly shred dense, overgrown turf, while ensuring a clean, uniform finish. Additionally, this unit introduces a fully automated true-edge side string trimmer. The system extends cleanly past the edge of the chassis to clear grass up to 0 millimeters from physical barriers and stone walkways, eliminating the need for tedious manual edge cleanup.
Allowing a standard walk-behind machine to eat up your weekends or watching a cheap robot struggle on uneven turf is a direct compromise on your time. If you want a flawlessly manicured estate covering up to 1.25 acres with absolute zero friction, The Mammotion Luba 3AWD 5000 is a top-tier smart home asset, engineered for maximum efficiency. This high-performance system features a true all-wheel drive platform engineered to climb aggressive 80% slopes that would stop standard machines dead in their tracks, while maintaining tight traction without damaging your lawn. For navigation, the machine deploys a revolutionary trifusion stack that integrates 360-degree LiDAR, netRTK satellite tracking, and dual-camera AI vision. This advanced configuration establishes centimeter-accurate boundaries across multiple distinct zones, without the headache of a single buried perimeter wire. Additionally, it functions at peak operational capability, even under dense tree cover or during night cycles, automatically guiding its dual cutting blades to execute a clean, uniform finish. You can review the updated specifications and active promotional valuations listed directly below.
If you are tired of wrestling with tangled cords and heavy hoses just to keep your pool clear of debris, the Rock Neo Q110H wire-free robotic pool cleaner offers a brilliant engineering solution. Instead of relying on a clunky external power supply, its fully cordless design runs on an advanced, long-lasting battery system that allows it to independently roam your pool floor without restrictions. Utilizing intelligent full-band navigation, it systematically maps out the most efficient path, ensuring it covers every square inch without missing spots. It is a highly practical choice for mid to large-sized residential pools, handling everything from fine silt to heavy leaves with ease. If you want to see exactly how this wire-free navigation mechanism functions in real time, go ahead and browse the full specifications down in our product guide.
For homeowners looking to completely automate their yard maintenance without dealing with the headache of burying boundary wires, the Sunseeker Orion X7 is a massive technological leap forward. Instead of restricting the machine with physical perimeters, this mower utilizes an advanced satellite-guided RTK system coupled with intelligent path planning to map your lawn digitally. It effortlessly tracks its own location down to the centimeter, executing a highly structured back-and-forth mowing pattern rather than just wandering aimlessly. The standout engineering feature is its adaptive floating blade disc, which automatically adjusts its height dynamically to match the contours of your terrain, preventing ugly scalping on uneven patches or slopes. It is a premium set-it-and-forget-it solution built for maintaining pristine grass with zero manual effort. To analyze how this smart navigation handles complex yard layouts, you can explore the comprehensive performance details compiled on our primary resource sheet.